start, I thought I'd take some time to tell you who we are and what we do. So Apex Laboratories Private Limited has been successfully present in the pharmaceutical industry for the last 40 years. It started in 1978, and under our father's leadership, SS Vanamamuri, from a very, very humble start, we have come to the top 50 companies in the country. So to talk about the strengths of Apex, one of the major key focus was to earn the trust of the doctors and to generate prescription. And we have a very, very committed field force and a very dynamic distribution unit. So we have a very dynamic distribution unit. And moreover, the obvious thing for our strength is our flagship brands like Zincovit, Zincofer, Ascasen, P650, etc. But most importantly, another privileged thing for us is the industry calls us the zinc people, because we were the pioneers to do zinc formulations in the country. So that's another nickname we have. So Apex has about 4 state-of-the-art quality modern manufacturing units with stringent quality control, which focuses more on quality and innovation products. All our facilities are around Chennai, and we focus on manufacturing oral medications, herbals, herb supplements, cosmeceuticals, and dermaceuticals. We also have our own in-house R&D. We house about nearly 80 scientists over there. And to be honest, R&D is the backbone of Apex from the very beginning. And we owe to our R&D team for their continuous efforts in creating great products and also helping us to obtain numerous international patents. So Apex from the beginning, as an organization, we've always supported the healthcare system. And we strongly assure and continue to support them by delivering quality medicines and innovative products. And as assured, today we are all over here to unveil a very great news for supporting the healthcare system again. And with that, I'm very excited, and I shall let the next person talk. All right, then, thank you.
First of all, I would like to welcome all of you. Thanks for your presence in this odd times. Thanks for coming and honoring our invitation. And I would like to also welcome our guest, Mr. Dr. CMIFC Reddy, FRCS DSC, and Dr. Satish Siddha Specialist, and Dr. Dharmesh Kuvet Ayurvedic Specialist. Thanks a lot, sir, for coming and joining us today. So, Shan already had spoken to you about what Apex is and all that. So, I'm here to talk more about Green Milk Concepts. So, Green Milk Concepts was started with the intention to provide quality herbal drugs and medicines. We formulate our traditional Indian medicine with modern medical concepts. GMC has dedicated state-of-the-art manufacturing facility certified with GMP Ayush, Halal, Vegan, etc. We have dedicated R&D unit and a scientist working on to bring products in unmet therapy areas.
Good evening to you all. My name is Arthur Paul, and I represent Apex Laboratories Private Limited. For the next course of few minutes, that I would be giving an introduction about CleVira. The very reason the press meet is called for today. CleVira from the house of Apex Laboratories Private Limited was launched in the year 2017. As you all aware, during 2015 and 16, there were widespread epidemic of dengue cases in India and many parts of the world, and associated mortality rate due to thrombocytopenia. That is wherein our chairman and managing director wanted to launch a herbal-based antiviral drug based on herbal extracts. So, R&D Center of Apex Laboratories Private Limited has extensively worked for 2 years and CleVira is the brainchild of Apex R&D Center, and in the year 2017 it was launched, and since then it is available in Indian market. As I mentioned, CleVira is a combination of 10 potent herbal extract. These are all standardized extract. Carica papaya leaf extract, which is nothing but papali ilai charu, which is well known for reversing thrombocytopenia. And as Mali Asadirac and Andrographic Spaniculata, these are all very bitter drugs. These are all known for their potent antiviral efficacy, and most of the ingredients or extracts present in CleVira are known for analgesic, antipyretic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. So through extensive clinical trial, CleVira is recommended as an antiviral, analgesic, antipyretic, and CleVira is excellent in reversing thrombocytopenia. Now, based on a phase 3 clinical trial, now CleVira is also indicated as an anti-SARS-CoV-2 as a supplementary medicine, as an add-on therapy. I mentioned earlier, CleVira was launched in the year 2017 and extensively studied in a clinical trial. Series of clinical trials were happened. This drug was studied in vitro model, in vivo model, both in animal as well as human trials, as well as in silico model. These are the 6 clinical trials so far have been carried out for CleVira. In vitro cytotoxicity study and preclinical acute toxicity study in animal model, and preclinical repeated dose toxicity study again in animal model. Phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trial were carried out using human subject, and in silico docking study was carried out using computer model. I think one more tool has been given in the fight against Covid-19. So together I think we can fight against this evil and win over the war. Thank you so much for your patient listening.